Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain NEET 2020 chemistry paper analysis. If you observe this paper, most of the questions are easy and moderate. Only 2 or 3 questions are difficult. Your first question, just you observe it. Identify a molecule which does not exist. This question from chemical bond. Options: A. Helium 2, B. Lithium 2, C. Carbon 2, D. O2. If you observe these options, helium is a noble gas or inert gas. These elements exist in the monatomic state. Therefore, helium 2 does not exist. And the bond order according to MOT theory is 0. Therefore, right answer is A. In case of lithium, according to MOT theory, bond order is 1. It is exist. And in case of carbon, bond order is 2. It is also exist. And in case of O2, according to MOT theory, the bond order is 2. So according to MOT theory, helium 2 does not exist because the bond order is 0. Now see the question number 2. Find out the solubility of nickel hydroxide in 0.1 m sodium hydroxide, given that the ionic product of nickel hydroxide is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 15. If you observe the solubility of sparingly soluble salt in the presence of a strong electrolyte, the concentration of strong electrolyte is taken as a concentration of the one of the constituent ion. In nickel hydroxide, nickel 2 plus ions are there, as well as OH minus ions are there. This OH minus ion concentration equals to NaOH concentration. It means Ksp equals to nickel 2 plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration square. Here Ksp equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 13. Here Ksp equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 15 is given, and that equal to nickel concentration into 0.1 whole square. After simplification, you may get solubility of nickel equals to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 13 m. Therefore, the right answer is A. Next, see the question number 3. Identify the correct statement from the following. A. CO2 gas is used as a refrigerant for ice cream and frozen food. And second one is the structure of C60 contains 12 6 carbon ring and 25 carbon ring. And if you observe these A and B statements, for the frozen food, solid CO2 is used, not CO2 gas. Therefore, we can avoid this A as a right, is not a right statement. Next, B. In C60, 12 5-member rings are there and 20 6-member rings are there. These values are given in the reverse manner. Therefore, we can also avoid the B. But in case of C, the ZSM5, a type of zeolite, it is a right one. It is used to convert the alcohol into gasoline. This is directly statement from our NCERT book. And CO is a colorless and odorless gas. So it is also direct statement from NCERT book. So C and D, these statements are right. So which are given as right statements? Here C combination is only D is the right answer. So what is the right answer? D is the right answer. Next, see the question number 4. Hydrolysis of sucrose is given by the following reaction. Sucrose plus H2O give the glucose plus fructose. If the equilibrium constant Kc is 2 into 10 to the power of 13 at 300 Kelvin, the value of delta G naught at the same temperature will be. So this question is from chemical equilibrium. So according to that chemical equilibrium and free energy and K relation, delta G naught equal to minus RT ln K. What I am saying? Delta G naught equal to minus RT ln K. Here what is the R value? 8.314. And what is the T value? 300 Kelvin. And K value, that is ln K, K value is 2 into 10 to the power of 13. Therefore, just you substitute these values in that equation, so you will get the A is the right answer. Why? Because delta G naught equal to minus RT ln K. So it is also a very simple question from the chemical equilibrium. Next, identify a compound X in the following sequence of reaction. Here, the toluene treated with the chlorine in the presence of sunlight give the X, and that X is treated with water at 373 Kelvin temperature give the Y. Here, when the toluene treated with the chlorine, the three products are possible. One is a monochloro product, second one is dichloro product, and third one is trichloro product. In case of monochloro product, it can give the benzyl alcohol. And in case of dichloro product on hydrolysis, give the benzaldehyde. And trichloro product, it can give the benzoic acid. But here we are getting the answer is benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde means it is from the dichloro product of dichlorochlorination product of toluene. So that means the right answer is C. That is a dichlorination product. Next, you observe the question number 6. Identify the incorrect match. So in the column A and column B, and in these two columns, they give the IUPAC system nomenclature and general name. IUPAC system nomenclature and general name. Here, first A is unilenium means 101. So this 101 element is Mendelevium, that is the right statement, and uniltritium, that is a 103 element Lawrencium, and unilexium, that is 106 element Seaborgium, and unilenium, that is a 109 element, that is empty, not dermastadium. The dermastadium is a 110 element. Therefore, the wrong one is D. What is the wrong one? The wrong one combination is D. Therefore, the right answer is D. Next, an element has a body-centered cube, that is BCC. The structure with a cell edge of 288 picometer, the atomic radius. In case of BCC structures, the edge length and the radius relation. Edge length and radius relation. The radius equals to root 3 by 4 A. A means edge length. So what is the A value is given? 288 is given. Therefore, R equal to root 3 by 4 into 288 picometers. Therefore, the right answer is A. Next, you observe the question number 8. Which of the following set of molecule will have zero dipole moment? So if a molecule show the zero dipole moment, means if the molecule does not having the zero dipole moment, means that the molecule should be symmetric. If it is unsymmetric, it shows some dipole moment. So first you have to observe the in the given combination which is a symmetric molecule and which is unsymmetric molecule. If it is an unsymmetrical molecule, that show the dipole moment. If it is a symmetric molecule, that does not show the dipole moment. Just you observe the first option A. Ammonia is a pyramidal shape, therefore it shows the dipole moment, and beryllium difluoride is a symmetric, therefore it has a zero dipole moment, means no dipole moment. Therefore, one molecule is a dipole moment and another is does not have the dipole moment. Therefore, we can avoid the A option. Next, boron trifluoride, zero dipole moment, because it is a trigonal planar structure and symmetric structure, but hydrogen fluoride is a unsymmetric, therefore it have the dipole moment. Therefore, we can avoid the B option also. Next, nitrogen trifluoride, it is a pyramidal structure and it shows the dipole moment, and beryllium dichloride, the linear shape, no dipole moment. One molecule is a dipole moment and another is a no dipole moment, therefore we can avoid that one also. So one will be left? D is left. In boron trifluoride, trigonal planar, zero dipole moment, beryllium dichloride, zero dipole moment, carbon dioxide, zero dipole moment, 1,2-dichlorobenzene, zero dipole moment. Therefore, right answer is D. Next. On the electrolysis of dilute sulfuric acid using platinum electrode, the product obtained at the anode will be. So in case of dilute sulfuric acid, so which ions are present? In case of cations, H plus ion is present, and in case of anions, OH minus and sulfate ions are present. So at anode, anions undergoes oxidation. So if you observe the SO4 minus 2 and OH minus ions, which of the smaller size? OH minus ion is the smaller size. Therefore, its ionic mobility is more. Only that ion undergoes discharge its charge. Therefore, which gas is evolved? Oxygen gas is evolved at anode. Therefore, the right answer is O2, means 4 OH minus gives to O2 plus oxygen plus 4 electron. So that reaction take place at the anode. Next, question number 10. The reaction between acetone and methyl magnesium chloride followed by the hydrolysis will give. Here, if you observe the preparation methods of alcohols, formaldehyde reaction with RMGX, that is alkyl magnesium halide, give the primary alcohols, and remaining aldehyde give the secondary alcohols, and the ketones give the tertiary alcohol. So among these four options, only one tertiary alcohol is there, that is the tertiary butyl alcohol. Therefore, the right answer is C.